Thank you for checking out the video. In this video, we're going to be doing some quick troubleshooting of the S10, and these tips also work on your S10 Plus. We're going to go over some of the common issues that may happen with the phone and how you can fix those issues on your own. Let the download begin. Now, if you're finding the channel for the first time, on this channel, we do support videos that help you not only fix some of the common issues with the tech that you own, but also helps you understand the features and benefits and how to use them to the best of their ability. If you find the video helpful, if you enjoyed the video at all, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also share the content. You never know who can benefit from some of these support videos that we do from time to time. Let's get started with troubleshooting your S10 or S10 Plus. So now the S10 or S10 Plus has a really great, fantastic full screen display. And what can happen sometimes with the full screen display is you get a lot of accidental touches if you have this device either in your pocket or carrying around in your bag. I'm going to show you some settings that we can help deactivate the accidental touches and make it a lot less. Accidental touches can affect your battery life, so it's definitely one of those issues you want to address as quickly as possible to make sure that the battery on the phone lasts as long as it should. So one of the first things you want to do is go into your settings, and in your settings you want to select display, and then you want to scroll down to accidental touch protection. So now switching this accidental touch protection on is going to definitely go a long way to help to make sure that those accidental touches are prevented when you're carrying the phone either in your pocket or in your bag. You want to make sure that this setting is switched on. Again, accidental touches can affect your battery life. This could be one of the main reasons why your phone is going on and off while you're carrying it in your pocket. Now, one of the best things you can do to make sure that your phone works the way it's supposed to for a really long time and is always working at peak conditions is to make sure your phone resets on a regular basis. Resetting your phone at least once a week is actually a really good bar for you to set in how often you should reset your phone. Now, you don't actually have to remember to reset your phone itself. The Galaxy S10, S10 Plus has a really cool feature that you can set your phone to auto reset at a certain time and date during the week, so it becomes a no-brainer and you can set it for a time that's not inconveniencing you in any way while you're sleeping, 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. Let me show you how to do that now. So one of the first things you want to do is, of course, go into your setting. Then you're going to go into device care, and then you're going to hit these 3 little buttons on top here. And then you have the auto reset option there. So what this, again, auto reset option does is it gives you the ability to set the date, and it gives you the ability to set the time that you want your phone to reset. Now, there's certain criteria that the phone has to meet. It has to have the screen off. The phone itself has to not be in use. The battery has to be at least 30%, and your SIM card lock has to be off. So if you don't know what a SIM card lock is, don't worry about that part. That means it's on. And the battery, again, usually you want to make sure your phone is at least plugged in and charging. That way it can reset with no problem and update with no problem. And of course, you want to set a time that the phone won't be in use. That way the screen is off and the phone can do the reset. So I have mine set right now to Sundays at 4 a.m. in the morning. So anytime between 4 and 5, the phone will reset. It's going to refresh and it's going to come back normal. And what these resets do, again, is just clear out all the cached information in the phone. It clears everything out. That way you're not holding over anything, because every time you open an application, every time you use an application, it caches information in the phone, and it sometimes has some background processes that keeps running. Resetting your phone helps delete and remove those background processes, clears the cache, and gives you a better overall experience with your phone, and also can help improve your battery life tremendously.